Okay, tonight we're gonna do another unboxing. Alexa, turn volume 40%. I think it's too loud. Okay, so tonight we're gonna do a unboxing. It's called my husband ordered them from the Nike store. They're called Jordan's Aerospace shoes. I believe that's what he told me before he left. He didn't write it down for me, but you know, the whole point of it is like the unboxing, you know? Stupid thing. Okay, there we go. So, I'm by myself, so I'm gonna do this. We're gonna do this. Sorry about the camera angle and stuff. I'm not really a professional yet, but I will get there. I noticed that you gotta be yourself on camera, because if you're not, then you're gonna just start messing up and you know, stuff like that. So I learned that I'm not even gonna practice anything. I'm just gonna go with it. You know what I mean? So, bam. Let's see. What does it say? Jump Man. Jump Man. There you go. And then there's the little logo right there. Little Jordan. You got another one right here. I don't think he wants to get rid of the boxes for some reason. So, ooh, here we go. You guys ready to see the unboxing? Bam. So we got the logo, original Aerospace. I believe it's Aerospace. I'm not really sure, but that's what I think he said before he left. So we got that. We get the front right there. That's the front. That's the front. And then we got the sides. It's always like shockproof, because he likes to have that part right there. And then that's the back. I'm going to give you a 360. There we go. And then, yeah. That's the Jordans. And then that's the bottom. Original Jordan. See that? I guess he bought them to match one of his shirts he got from the 49ers. I don't think I did an unboxing of that, but I should have. So here's the shoe itself. He has he's size 11, so there you go. So please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'm already starting my channel, so I'll probably get a little bit better, but for now, you know, it's just unboxing stuff. He did get this from the Nike store. If you guys want to know the prices and stuff, I can ask them, and then I can add it in the video so you guys can know how much they are, and the website and stuff. I have to learn how to put that on the description bar down there. So just let me know if you like this. If you like my videos, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you can. If you want to, I would appreciate it. And yeah, you guys have a good night. See you on the next one.